So we're live for live stream 384, and we've got a bit of a choppy market here, so it's going to be difficult trading conditions. We have a VIX up at 27. It suggests quite a bit of volatility, but it's been choppy. We've come into these lows. We found some buyers, but the buying to the upside has failed twice. So let's see, get the right account. Okay.
Order submitted.
Let's see if this strategy will work here. I'm not particularly confident because of all the chop we've seen. We'll see. We will certainly see. Gold is choppy as well. Not touching gold. I'll leave the order out there. This is a move up to 130. 50.
Order filled.
Okay. So I've been filled on my personal. I've just not been filled here on my. Oh, that's a lot of volatility. I've just not been filled on my, what you call this? On my main trading account here.
Order filled.
I'm going to take it off on the old personal. And try
Order
to
submitted.
buy back. Let's see if the market wants to come down to that 07. Let's see. May prove I should have just held a personal account. So we came down. I wasn't filled here. Low of the candle was 0725, wasn't filled. Looking at the market, pretty close to flat. We see that NQ's at ES is at flat. Looking at gold market, that's flat as well. Tested the highs up there at the 277s. Point of control is above us. We'll see here. So, due to the fact that we are above the 2020 on the old VIX, seeing at 2663 here, I'm going to use a high volatility strategy. But Certainly would be a little bit disappointing if we were to get to that 130 without triggering our sin. At the same time, we could get triggered. The market could go slamming all the way to the downside. So it's just one of those things. It's one of those things. I guess the move to the 130s is going to go without me. Okay. So I got out at the 44.50s on the personal account. Golly. NQ or bust. No. 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 I was thinking about entering it down at the half the position at 130 or something. And seeing if I could just to see if I could get that dip by. See, that just messes up the whole thing. Just got to stay disciplined here. Who knows? It may come into these highs and pull back. See, these lows have been lows of these lows here have been lows that I've held. Golly. So we ran into those highs. We've had the sellers come back in.
Order filled.
Oh, are we gonna? Maybe these sellers are not going to be compliant. Maybe we're gonna go ahead just head lower. Who knows? Hoping that we can see this turnaround here. And head up towards the 130s, but you never know. This could be the double top. If we can get a good close on this current candle. There's a lot of selling taking place though. Can we see buying into the end of the candle here? No, not seeing it. It's probably going to come down to a stop. Let's see. So 84.50. Okay. If we can get to 84.50, I'm going to move my stop up. I'm going to trade this P&L right here. So I'm going to lock in 100. That way, cannot lose on the day. And I'll defeat the daily goal. Yeah. Oh, hold on, that's too early. There we go. Stops up at the 58.50. 58.50. Maybe up to 66.50. Just in case this wants to come back. Goodness me. Gonna move it up to 89.75. Just because of the volatility. 89.75. Of course, the target's all the way up at 30.50, but should probably hold it up to the 30.50, but this level of volatility, I'm not taking any chances. Probably going to be stopped out. Stopped out. So I've been stopped out. That 30.50 may still come. Been stopped out around 90.50. So that's a further 40 points. I'd have left there on the table. Let's watch this play out. It's probably definitely going to get up to that 30.50, but I wasn't willing to allow it to clear the highs and come back. I thought on this push We should be able to get all the way up there, but we got as high as 20, so we got within 10 points. Thought there would be enough to get it all the way up there. But if that wasn't the case, I was willing to walk away with the profits that I had on the table. So let's have a look what the profits I made today. I definitely got to the daily goal, definitely left a fair bit on the table, exiting at 90 when the designated target was about the 130.50. So we may still get to this 130.50 here. Looks like that is the case. The designated target's going to be here. Here we go. In reality, I should follow the plan rather than trade P&L, but I'm not trying to hang around any longer than I need to. So we've got good volatility today. Really good volatility in terms of the VIX. Currently still trading. There we are, through that 130.50. So, of course, if I'd have held the trade, would have got to that target, left 40 points on the table. Certainly left 40 points on the table, which would have been about an extra 80. I picked up an extra 80 there. But let's see. Picked up 143. 143. Let's think about it. Yeah. So certainly left some profits there on the table. Further 80. So if we have a look at the account, we picked up 167. Left a further 80, so could have picked up around 240 or so. Again, so with the prices going up, trailed to stop aggressively, was stopped out and a pullback. Eventually prices would have hit the target. So no, the strategy works. That's something we can say for definite, that the strategy does work. And we are not going to overstay our welcome at all today. Not at all. So we've got a point of control sitting around the 181. Prices are traded well above the 130s up to the 144s. Really good trade there. Let's make sure we don't have any. Okay, let's see. So I'm going over to the personal account. Make sure I don't have any orders on. Going to take a screenshot, as I usually do. Took a screenshot of the old personal account. I'm going to log out of the personal account. Achieve the objectives today. Okay, so I've logged out to the personal account. And that's pretty much going to be it from me. So another short stream. Again, we've come in. Could have maximized profits by holding to target. But certainly was trading P&L. Hence the reason why I trailed. Didn't allow the trade to work itself out. Overall, the structure on the market seemed pretty good. Despite having the point of control on the TPO chart above us, we've had prices head lower, put in a low. Before our trade, we had a low, we've had a higher low. So we've had the lows, higher lows. We made slightly lower lows, didn't break these lows here. Higher lows again off that. Certainly seemed interesting. And that's pretty much it. So I'm not going to stay here any longer than I need to. Just one and done today in the streaming account. Now with that said, thanks for watching.